how to watch Reels history on Facebook. So if you go to Facebook and you want to rewatch some of the Reels that you've recently watched, there's two ways to do this. So if you go to Facebook and you go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, or if you want to, go ahead to the three bars at the top left corner, and you just want to scroll down until you find your settings. So from here, what you want to do is scroll down until you find your activity stuff and go to activity log. And then from here, go to activity history. And here you'll be able to see all the things that you've interacted with, if it's Reels, posts, anything like that. You can also go through the filters here and go to categories. And then from here, you can go to your Facebook activity and go to Reels to have a more specific search bar. That way you can really go through all of your Reels specifically to watch them. So we can go ahead and hit all, and these are all the Reels that I've physically interacted with. But what you can do if you want to watch Reels that you didn't like, comment, or share, we can go back to home and you can go to the Reels area. So what we're going to do is go to the three bars again at the top left-hand corner, and we'll go to Reels. And I'm just going to go ahead and pause this, and I will walk through. Now, it's important to know that some Reels may not have the search bar at the top right-hand corner, but if it does, what you can do is go ahead and hit the magnifying glass search bar. And from here, what you want to do is Reels you've watched, you can go ahead and see all. And this will show you a list of all the Reels that you've recently watched all the way through. And that's it. That's how you would go about watching your Reels history on Facebook through the Reels area and also through your Facebook settings. And that's it.